Hello guys, welcome to this video and hope you guys are absolutely awesome. So in this video I'm going to share with you 5 websites that pay you daily within 24 hours to do easy work at home. So guys, any of these websites, they typically will pay you within about 24 hours. So you guys can pay it quickly. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the end and I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. But guys, remember this, they are not going to make you full-time income by themselves, but you can make a very good side income from working at home. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So guys, the first one is OneSpace. You can visit by directly onespace.com. So OneSpace allow you to sign up and work doing a lot of different small jobs. You will be doing things like data entry, you will be doing writing research things like that. So this is typically what tasks they have available. So guys, they usually pay you via PayPal and they pay you daily, but it can take some longer times sometimes, but you can get paid in as little as 24 hours after you're getting funds withdrawal. And guys, of course, you can go to the bottom, learn more about this, what kind of jobs they have to offer. So go ahead and check it out. And they also have a blog, so you can visit by directly onespace.com and click on the get started button to start working with them and getting different jobs that you can do, kind of like a regular freelancing type of sites and etc. So guys, go ahead and check it out and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video so you can find out all the details guys here. Go ahead and check it out. So guys, let's jump onto our another website. But guys, before we can do that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel guys, make sure you do, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis guys that teaches you how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur guys. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell guys, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day guys. And guys, if you find out any value in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video guys, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how I generate full-time income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing and it's totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you my number one recommended system that I personally use to generate $100 a day online. So guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So let's talk about our next website. So guys, the next website you probably heard of is called Feature Points, and I made a video before about Feature Points guys. It's a great app and people are making a lot of money with this. So you can also get the app for Feature Point guys. If you want to check out, go to the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, and if you want to get it for iPhone, go to the App Store and download it via your browser. So basically guys, you have these apps that they are partnered with and you get paid to try these app out. So you can use them for like a minute or two and then you can decide if you want to delete them from your phone or not. So every time you do a task, you get a points, and then what you can do, you can exchange those points for a gift card like PayPal money and etc. So they are very good about it guys, getting your withdrawn fund. So basically they withdraw your fund within a day, and the best part is there is no matter how much it is. So I never had a problem with them. And if we talk about ratings, so as far as rating, they are pretty much good rating. So as you can see, they are about 3.9 star out of 5, and there are a lot of positive review over here guys. So go ahead and check it out and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video guys, so you can go from there. So guys, let's talk about our next website. So the next website is Field Agent. So you can visit directly by fieldagent.net. So guys, it's also has an app available for both Apple and Android devices. So guys, basically Field Agent app allow you to get paid to complete different tasks in your area. So typically this is better for people who live like a major city or very good size city where there are plenty of the businesses around in a small radius. So basically you can walk around town and you get paid usually $3 to $12 per task that you complete. So they are very easy and quick, and you just kind of walk around a town. It has like a map on your phone and you can see kind of a screenshot over here, and they pay you to do things like take pictures of store inventory, to give a review, or maybe a customer service, to scan barcodes and things like that. So those type of things can help you find some money to make around town using the Field Agent app, guys. So the best part is this, they are gonna tell you how much you are gonna earn instead of making you figure out how to convert points and stuff like that. So guys, go ahead and check it out. It's called Field Agent, and as far as rating, they have pretty much good rating, 3.7 star out of 5. So guys, go ahead and check it out, and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video. So let's jump into our another website. So the another website we're gonna look at today is called gigwalk.com. So you can visit by gigwalk.com. So basically that's very similar to Field Agent. It's guys Gigwalk, and you can get to pay it from Gigwalk between $3 to $100 per gig. And what you can do, you just walk around town similar to Field Agent, and they both pay you via PayPal. And guys, the once your gig get done, you get paid immediately via PayPal to withdraw that money. So you can go directly by gigwalk.com to check them out, or they have also have a app, or go to your selected app store to check out screenshot and review about them. So you can see that have a little points on the map of where you are located, and it will tell you in dollars how much each gig will get you, and then your location as well. So it shows you like a dot of where you are and how far you can go. So they have a description, guys, was plenty of a detail, and what you need to do to earn that money. Again, it's pay up to $100 per gig, guys, and which is really nice, especially considering how easy that gig can be. So you can take photos or maybe the interior of a business or whatever, you just kind of help small businesses out and things like that. So guys, go ahead and check it out, and I'll leave a link below in the description of the video. It's called Gigwalk. So you can find out all the details here. And as far as rating, they have 3.3 rating out of 5. So definitely you want to check it out, guys. So guys, our last website we're gonna look at today is called clearvoices.com. So you can visit by clearvoices.com, and guys, what they do is they pay writers to work with a lot of different top brands like Carfax, LifeLock, etc. So you create this profile and you have a portfolio of writing and what works that you done, and then you get these writing jobs in your area of expertise. So you help them write articles or write whatever it is that need to be written. And guys, when they accept it, you get paid within 24 hours via PayPal. So clearvoices.com, if you want to do that, if you have a kind of an writing work and you can help brands with all kind of writing, you be basically as a freelancer, but you specialize in writing on this site, so which is clearvoices.com. So guys, go ahead and check it out. It's called clearvoices.com, and I'll leave a link below in the description of the video, so you guys can go from there, guys. So guys, basically these are the 5 websites that we are gonna look at today. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much daily that teaches you exactly how to make money online and how you guys can work from home. And guys, if you want to learn how I generate full-time passive income online, so make sure to click the first link in the description of this video, and I'll be sharing with you my #1 recommended system that I personally use to generate $100 a day online. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.